Good evening. Good evening. I'm here to talk about immigration. Happy Veterans Day. It's today, November 11th. We're going to talk about some military families' benefits when it comes to immigration. What are those benefits for military family members? Yes, let me know in the comment where you are, how you feeling tonight. 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's get right into the subject. Hello, how are you? Where are you? Let me know in the comment. We got one great topic today. Let me know in the comment. Hello, how are you? Saturday evening. This is a great day. Let me know in the comment. Before we get started, I want to talk to you. Iowa, hello. I've never been to Iowa before, so I don't know. Oh, from Maryland, Christiana Akieli from Maryland. How are you? Robertson Paul, how are you? Yes, I'm doing good. How are you? Robertson Paul, yeah, I saw your email. I guess I will. Oh, Robertson Paul, you are in Maryland? Salisbury, Maryland? Oh, okay. I didn't know you were in Maryland. But anyway, I saw your email. Guess I'll respond next week because I have a trial on Monday. I'm trying to focus on it. Happy weekend from New York. I love New York. Fami, I love New York. I love New York. Yes. I've been to New York. Like I go to New York every other month almost, like at least 4 times a year. I love New York. Yes, Robertson Park. I will respond to your email, I guess, on Tuesday because I have a trial to focus on. I have a trial on Monday. I'm trying to really stay focused. But I'm here to talk about immigration, right? Today is Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day, everybody. We're going to talk about some military family benefits when it comes to family members of the military. I'm going to share my screen in a minute, but if you have a question, as long as it has to do with immigration, please leave it in the comment, okay? Just leave it in the comment so we can respond to you, okay? But I'm gonna share the screen with you so we can talk about this benefit for family member. Okay. For military, sorry, military family member. Okay. So the first benefit here is, let me put it, okay. So the, uh-oh. Did I? Okay. Yes, the first benefit is that spouses of U.S. service member, they may be eligible for expedited naturalization outside the United States. Okay, so their process can be expedited for naturalization. Children of service member may also be eligible for naturalization or may be eligible to automatically acquire citizenship, you see, because they're serving the country, so they have some type of benefit, right? Um, how do you get to be part of it? Like, how do you qualify, right? That's what we're going to talk about. So expedite naturalization for spouse of service member. Well, first of all, to apply for naturalization under INA, Immigration and Nationality Act 319B, which is the expedite process, right? Um, Generally, you must be 18 or older, right? Establish that your spouse is a U.S. citizen who is or will be stationed abroad, okay, for a period of 1 year or more. Be authorized to accompany your spouse abroad by your spouse official's order. Okay. Be present in the United States as lawful permanent resident at the time of your naturalization application interview. Be present in the U.S. at the time of naturalization. Declare in good faith upon naturalization and intend to reside abroad with your spouse, okay? And to reside in the U.S. immediately upon your spouse termination of service abroad. Be able to read, write, and speak basic English because you're going to take the test. Have a basic knowledge of U.S. history and government. Okay, have been and continue to be a person of good moral character attached to the principle of the U.S. Constitution and well disposed to be a good order and happiness of the U.S. during all relevant periods under the law. Okay, so and then they talk about the expedite process. Well, you must contact the military helpline and secretary and secretary so you can get expedite process when it comes to citizenship. Then we have another thing. It's called parole in place. I believe we have talked about it before, but I'm going to talk about it again. Immigration option for family of certain military member and veteran. Remember, today is November 11. We're gonna, you know, basically honor their service. That's why we're talking about the subject. Okay. So, what is parole in place? Well, parole in place allow a foreign national who came to the United States without authorization to stay for a certain period of time. Okay, parole in place is granted on case-by-case basis for urgent humanitarian reason or for significant public benefit. It's considered a lawful immigration status for the purpose of certain immigration benefits such as green card parole. However, it does not excuse any period of unlawful presence outside of the parole period. Okay, so let's say the person is in the military and they came here into without inspection. If the person is granted parole, then later on they can adjust status. Okay, it pretty much forgives, let's say, into without inspection. That's the big one. Okay, and what exactly you're gonna get? You do not accrue unlawful presence during the period specified. May apply for a work permit and may be able to apply for an immigration benefit that requires a lawful entry. You see, that's the big one. Like entry without inspection, once you are granted parole in place, then you can adjust status. Basically, it forgives the entry without inspection thing. So now the question is, am I eligible for parole in place? Well, those are the people who can be eligible, right? You may be eligible for parole in place in 1 year increment because you have to renew it. If you are the spouse, widower, parent, son, or daughter of an active duty member of the U.S. Armed Forces, an individual in the selected reserve of the Ready Reserve, or a military veteran, whether living or deceased. Good one here, right? As long as he or she was not dishonorably discharged, who serves in active duty or in the selected reserve of the Ready Reserve. So basically, if you are the spouse, widower, parent, son, or daughter of an active duty member of the U.S., an individual who's in the selected, and let's say you enter without inspection, parole in place, if it's granted to you, it's going to forgive that entry without inspection. And later on, if this person really applies for you, then you can adjust status, right? That's really good. And then how do I request parole in place? Well, you will need to complete the form I-131, okay? without a fee, of course. That's the good part. And you need to provide all the documents. And then you can just like click here to get what the document. And sometimes, and then it goes on, right? But what I was trying to say here, right? Some people, like, if you have DACA, defer action for childhood arrival, and you want to go in the military, they were talking about this program here, right? The MA, MAVNI military. So, but at some point, this program was stopped. I don't think it's back, you know. So, but when it's back, people can, if you have temporary protected status, DACA, you can join the military basically. Okay. So, yeah, then we have the definition of defer. Okay. Yeah, that's it, right? That's it. Let's answer some questions here. Schmidt PT. Oh, Schmidt. It has been a long time. I haven't seen you on my live session. What happened? You got your immigration paper already? So you forgot about us. Please go ahead and like and share. By the way, if you're here, please go ahead and like and share so we can answer your questions. Let's see now. If we have a question, a friend is undocumented caring for U.S. citizen child who is a minor, who has mental issues, and so KZA. Usually people apply for what they call defer action for medical or defer medical action. So it's kind of like a parole. Basically, you apply for it and you get, they usually get like 2 years. I believe that program was stopped too under Trump. I'm pretty sure it's back. You get 2 years work permit. So if they agree with whatever your friend is saying, right? If they agree with it, then the person is going to get the 2 years work permit so they can work, so they can take care of the child. But unfortunately, they're not going to adjust status. It's just like a work permit. But if the person in question find themselves in removal, then if they meet the requirement for cancellation of removal, then they can apply for cancellation. So if you go on my community tab, you will see the requirement for cancellation of removal. So yeah, but other than that, there's this thing called defer action for medical reasons. If USCIS agrees with it, then the person gets a 2-year work permit so they can take care of the child. Hi, Emmy. How are you? How you feeling? Hi, Danny. How are you? Emmy, I haven't seen you for a while. What happened? You got all your paper together, so you left us? By the way, we got 9 people in the house. Please go ahead and like and share. Share, then like, so we can get to 12,000 subscribers. We only have 12 people missing, okay? The moment you share, we can get to all those subscribers. Oh, you have exams. Oh, okay. What are you studying, Amy? Yeah, I see you have exam. What are you studying? I see. That's why. Yeah, and work. People have to work for living. But thanks for joining us tonight. Oh, you're still working on the stuff. Okay. Yeah, let me know. Yeah, let me know. Healthcare. Yeah, healthcare is a good field. Yeah. Once you get your degree, you'll be good. Yeah, you're still working on the stuff. Okay. Once you get it, let me know. I wish you good luck on your exam, Amy. I wish you good luck. I know how exams are hard, but you need to focus. Focus, focus, focus. Work hard, you get it. Yeah. So what else we talking about? Anyway, by the way, we have 9 people in the house. Please go ahead and share first, then like, so we can reach 12,000 subscribers. We're trying to reach 12,000 subscribers before the end of this month. We only have 12 left. Really, we should reach those by the end of this week, like tomorrow. Oh, God bless you too, Emmy. Thank you very much for joining us. Oh, KZA, you're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Anybody else has a question? I'm here to answer questions. Anybody else has a question? So I can answer those questions right away. I know it's Saturday, right? It's already 6:15 p.m., but you know, we are trying to answer your questions. If you have questions, just let me know. Anybody knows anybody in the military? If anybody knows anybody else in the military, well, you can refer me to those people so that we can help them with their parole in place, expedite naturalization, stuff like that. 10 people in the house, please go ahead and share and like. Anybody else has a question, let me know. If there's no more question, well, we're gonna end right there, right? If you missed the beginning, just go to the beginning and start from the beginning, so you will know what we were talking about. Really, we were just trying to give some information on military families, right? The benefits that they have in terms of immigration. We talked about expedited naturalization, parole in place, and how it can help somebody who enter the United States without inspection. So those are the benefits for military family members. Okay. So that's what I was talking about from the beginning. Veronica Jimenez, I am glad you are here. Do you have a question? Let me know in the comments. We are glad to see you too. And please share and like. And let me know if you have a question. Ten people in the house. Let me know if you have a question. You have a question, just type it. If there's no questions, well, we can just stop and come back, okay? I'm probably going to come back tomorrow to talk about individual hearing, how to prepare. Yes, if there's no more questions, you know what? Yeah, if there's no more questions, can I use fictitious business? Fictitious business. Can I use fictitious business? No, 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 no. No. What you have to do, what you have to do, Amy, you need to open a business, an actual business, right? And get the proper license and show that really what the business is doing. You really have to have something. Otherwise, you're just going to waste your money and it's not going to work. You're just going to waste your money on the lawyers and then it's not going to work. Then you're going to blame the lawyer. So you have to open a business, get the proper business licenses, and start doing something. Amy, the answer is no. How long does it take for the PD request? Also, a motion to reopen with BIA, my friend Manka Traore. I don't know. I have no answer for that. I've seen motion taking from 2 months to 2 years. Yeah, nobody has control over that. And by the way, last time we talked about how to expedite it. Yes, we've talked about it before, how you can expedite. If you go on EOR, you will see some reasons where somebody can expedite their motion. I mean, file an expedite request on their motion to reopen. If you go on EOIR, BIA, you just Google BIA expedite request. It's going to tell you the reasons as to how you can expedite, why you can expedite. But as far as how long it's going to take, I don't know. I don't have an answer for that. And by the way, nobody knows. With BIA, I've seen cases taking from 1 month to 2 years to 4 years even. So I don't know. I really have no answer for that. Anybody else has a question? 14 people in the house. Please go ahead and like. Please go ahead and share. And let me know in the comment if you have some type of questions. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to have a small video to talk about individual hearing. Yeah, that's it. Probably I'm going to do my video since I'm preparing for my trial. If I do my video, it's just like a preparation for me because I have a trial Monday. So anybody else has a question, let me know. Okay. You're welcome, Amy. You're welcome. 11 people in the house. Please go ahead and share and like. Well, if we don't have any more questions, I guess that's it for tonight, right? So we try to answer some questions here. If you don't have any more questions, I guess that's it for tonight. We'll come back again tomorrow. But if in the meantime, if you think about something, just leave it in the comment. If you need a consultation links are in the description box below. What else we have? Yes, this is it, right, for tonight. Thank you for joining us. I'll talk to you later.